hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. If you're new to the channel, my name's Sabrina and we go around all of Europe, around the world, showing you great destinations, bars, restaurants, beaches, nightlife, you name it, and make a good decision for you to decide to where to go with your friends, family. We are in Zante and we are on Kalamaki Strip, and I'm just going to show you what's new for 2025. So let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. Hope everyone's doing well. So this is Olive Tree. And then we got some little side roads that just veer off. Wagwan Tours. Wagwan Tours. And then we've got a massive supermarket here called Big Market. So if you're in this area, do check this one out. It's got lots of souvenirs. Coming up to a nice little restaurant here, somewhere to hire out your quads, bikes, little Jeep.
2 minutes.
So this is Vintage Restaurant and Bar. Steak and mushroom, fillet steak pasta, seafood. There we go. It's really nice in there. So many restaurants to choose from, and the hospitality in Greece is so phenomenal. It's one of the best sort of places I've been for hospitality, and we have been all over. Check the channel out. We've been sort of Mamoris, we've done Spain, so we've done Marbella, we've done all the sort of, we've done Cadiz, Benamedina, Torremolinos, Fuengirola, so all of that sort of area. We've done all the Canaries, other than sort of Fuerteventura and a few others. So yeah, we really have done quite a lot. We've done Portugal, Albufeira, Faro. And we just go around seeing what's good, what mainly we enjoy sort of going out and doing, our favourite sort of locations, and then we try to let you guys know, is it worthwhile spending your money, taking time to come and see it. There we go, another nice restaurant and bar. Lovely outside area. You can imagine in the evening, this will look lovely. Really, really pretty. Got another little cocktail bar, Sweet Sins. A lot of these places do happy hour, so again, if you're looking for a bargain, they do karaoke. So you've got €5, 7 till 12, that's midnight, that's a really good one. And they do Sex on the Beach, Blue Lagoon, Black Russian and Cuba Libre. Hiya, thank you. So yeah, that's a really good offer. We have a nice little restaurant here, very pretty. So yeah, really good offers on the drinks. Let me know in the comments below if you think that's a bargain, too steep. Hiya. Looks really nice in here, very traditional. Yeah, if you think it's worth it, or you think actually that's a little bit expensive, we do this quite a lot because we know a lot of people go on holiday with a budget, or if you're younger and you're going out with your friends, you might not be earning a lot, so you just want to have some fun in the sun, but you might not have the funds to, break the bank. Or if you have got a lot of money, sometimes it's nice to keep it, isn't it? So yeah, we always try to look for a good bargain, and I think €5 happy hour for a cocktail, bearing in mind most places, especially like Spain, Portugal even, it's usually around €7-8 now, or upwards. There is a really cheap place in Albufeira on the news strip. Do check that content out. I don't think anything's really beaten that for prices and cocktails in my opinion, but if you found somewhere cheap, I'd love to know, and I'm sure the Wagwan family would as well. So you got the Rose and Crown pub, and then next to it you got Speakeasy Bar. Hello, hi guys.
Hello guys. Hello.
And then we got Pitter Pan. Got your traditional bakery, patisserie. And then we've got the Shamrock Irish Bar. Very green. Hiya. Evening. And then we've got Ambrosia. Look again, very traditional Greek restaurant. Evening. Very nice in there. Nice pom Zante, loaded fries and jacket potatoes. Yummy. It's a nice little one there. Very pretty. It's got a little standalone. Very cute, like that one. So we've got another car rental coming up. We just passed one under the same name, Hermes. So it's obviously a big brand in the island. And then just coming towards the sort of Milo's restaurant. And again, Greek cuisine. You've got all your traditional Greek cuisine there. Again, very pretty, the blue and the white. And this is all on Kalamaki Strip, so we are in Zante, Zakynthos, Greek island of Zante. About 10 minutes from Laganas. If you've been to Laganas, you might have not even known that this is on your doorstep. It is within walking, obviously about half an hour walk, 20 minutes, but obviously if you've got a quad or a bike or a car, it's like 5-10 minutes. So not far at all. And it's just another little area where you can go, let your hair down, have some drinks, enjoy some really good food and be sport for choice. So we got a friends bar, cocktails and more. Got some air hockey, some arcade games there. Nice big space. Hello. Hiya. Really nice there. And you got Pandora. Don't open the box. Hello. Bye. So we just saw him at Claude's, which is Melon Bars, where we're having some food. He's got a leather shop there. All your sort of nice leather goods. And then you've got Tassie's Dine-In Takeout. Tasmanian Devil. There we go, takeout and delivery, nice pizzas. Here's your screen for you. Okay. And then you've got a beer house, Kalamaki. Again, really nice. Really nice little seating area. Very pretty. And then you've got Daphne's Restaurant and Bar. Let's have a check out on this one. There we go. So that's Daphne's. See if there's any more as we're sort of coming to the end of this part of the strip. So we're now coming towards the main sort of roundabout, leaving Kalamaki if you've been in this area. Further up, you've got the famous sort of cave restaurant or bar. I think it's a bit of both. And that's just like up in those mountains. And then you've got Kalamaki Beach to the right. So at that roundabout, go right and you've got Kalamaki Beach. Do check out the footage. We have got a video on that as well. And then behind me, so just where we've come from, just further up there, is towards Laganas, Zante, the more sort of party area. Like I said, down there is where you've got Costa's Pool Bar and a few others. There's also a really lovely golf course down there, so crazy golf. So if you're into that, check that out as well. Nice little activities to do with your friends, family. Keep you entertained in the sun. And I think that's literally the end of it. I'm now going to head towards Melon Bar again, one of our favourites just at the end. It's open all year round as well, so if you are coming out of season, you can always rely on Claude to sort you out some really good fresh food and fantastic cocktails. I hope you guys have enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, really does help put the content out there and get our word out. If you haven't yet subscribed, why not? It's free. It'd be stupid not to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Welcome to the Wagwan Tour family.